6 of the best plant-based proteins that every senior should include in their diet. They help rebuild weakened muscles. Loss of strength and mobility after 60 is not just due to age. Often, the root cause is muscle wasting. While protein is the best cure, it doesn't have to be meat-based. Some of the most powerful nutrients that preserve muscle, boost energy, and support joints, they actually come from plants. In this video, we'll look at 6 plant-based proteins that every senior should include. They can be easily added to your daily diet and help reverse muscle loss, so you can stay strong, active, and independent at any age. The first is quinoa. Let's talk about a small but mighty food, quinoa. If you're over 60 and find it increasingly difficult to walk, stay strong, or perform everyday tasks like climbing stairs or standing for long periods of time, this could be especially beneficial for you. Quinoa is one of the easiest ways to fill this gap. It may seem like a simple grain, but don't underestimate its small grains. Quinoa is a complete protein. This means it contains all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs to build and repair muscle. And this becomes even more important as you age. Muscle loss is a natural part of aging, but that doesn't mean we're helpless against it. The truth is, the right foods can make a big difference, and quinoa is one of them. Just 1 cup of cooked quinoa provides you with about 8 grams of high-quality protein. This is especially important for seniors because as we age, our bodies lose their ability to use protein efficiently. That's why you need more protein than ever to maintain strength and mobility as we age. But quinoa isn't just good for muscles, it also strengthens bones, and that's just as important. Now let's talk about Alzheimer's. In just 1 serving, you get 281 milligrams of phosphorus, which is about 40% of your daily needs. It also has 77 milligrams of calcium and 118 milligrams of magnesium. Together, these 3 minerals keep your bones dense, flexible, and more resistant to breakage. If you've ever experienced leg cramps, joint pain, or sudden muscle spasms at night, the magnesium in it can help calm your muscles and help them recover better. Quinoa also gives you a good dose of iron, about 2 milligrams. 1 cup of quinoa contains about 8 milligrams of iron, which helps your red blood cells carry oxygen throughout your body. More oxygen means more energy, less fatigue, and better endurance, whether you're running, doing housework, or just playing with the grandkids. And here's something that many people overlook. Quinoa has a low glycemic index, meaning it doesn't spike your blood sugar. This is a huge benefit, especially if you're watching your blood sugar or managing type 2 diabetes. Instead of giving you fatigue or brain fog, quinoa gives you a steady source of energy that lasts longer. It's also packed with fiber, potassium, zinc, and B vitamins, all nutrients that help every system in your body function optimally. It's also incredibly easy to make. Just wash it, boil it like rice, and you're good to go. You can add it to salads, soups, stir-fries, or eat it hot like porridge for breakfast. Either way, quinoa is a small step that can make a big difference in your strength, mobility, and overall health. Now for the second one, chia seeds. Now let's take a closer look at one of the world's smallest yet most amazing superfoods, chia seeds. They may be tiny seeds, but don't underestimate their power. They play a huge role in supporting muscles and bones, especially after the age of 60. As we age, muscle mass naturally begins to decline, sometimes starting as early as our 30s. But as we get older, this process accelerates, leading to weakness, loss of balance, and difficulty with basic tasks like getting out of a chair or climbing stairs. The good news is that foods like chia seeds can slow this process, and sometimes even reverse it. Just 2 tablespoons, or about an ounce, of chia seeds provide you with about 5 grams of plant-based protein. That's a great start for rebuilding muscle and keeping your body strong and independent. But what really makes chia seeds unique are the minerals they contain. In that small amount, you get 177 milligrams of calcium, 265 milligrams of phosphorus, and a full 1 milligram of manganese. Together, these 3 minerals help keep bones strong and healthy. Calcium maintains bone density, phosphorus supports their structure, and manganese plays a role in bone formation and repair. All of this becomes especially important when you want to avoid bone fractures, joint pain, or osteoporosis as you age. You don't have to change your entire diet, nor do you have to go completely vegetarian. You just have to add the right foods like quinoa, lentils, tofu, and the others we mentioned to give your muscles the nutrients they need to keep them strong. These are common, everyday foods that support bones, ease joint pain, and give you energy you can actually feel. The bottom line is that staying active as you age is not about luck, it's about what you feed your body. If you want to be able to walk, lift weights, climb stairs, dance, and live life to the fullest, these 6 plant-based proteins are a great start. And that's not all. Click through to the next video, where I'll show you more ways to keep your body active and in tip-top shape. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, it really helps the channel a lot. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future videos. Your feedback is valuable to me, so be sure to let me know how you liked it in the comments below.